So this is a Club Car DS 36 volt, and we've got nothing in forward. A little solenoid click now. So it looks like the solenoid has been fried. Quick test. Voltage goes through these small leads and then across the large leads to activate the forward reverse. So we'll take a wire across, or just a hammer across the large leads there, and we can get it to in forward. Get it to spark and go. Okay, so then you can hit the pedal and go more, but that's just your quick test. You got a bad solenoid. Replace that, we're good.